Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Y'all good? Y'all ate? Okay, so today you guys, I am going to be doing an unboxing video, and yes y'all, my hands are ashy. I'm sorry about that, but it's okay if I'm a little ashy right now. And excuse my desk, the paint started chipping and everything. I gotta redo. I'm redoing my desk, so let's not worry about that. Today we are going to be unboxing it would be better if I would turn it the correct way, the Born Pretty acrylic nail kit from Amazon. And you guys, I purchased this because, as y'all know, I've gotten into doing my nails. I've gotten into doing the poly gel and the full cover tips. But I want to try to get into acrylic as well, just to give myself a little bit more options as to what to do with my nails. Because, you know, since quarantine happened and we wasn't able to go to the nail salon, I got more into doing my nails. And we're going to get into it. I don't have a fresh set in another video because I'm going to do, I had my nails off for another set that I'm going to be doing. But this is the Born Pretty acrylic nail kit. And y'all, my first impression about opening this is, as soon as I opened the box that it came in, you guys, this monomer, it is so strong. Y'all, like, I'm not gonna even lie to you, it is so strong. So I know for a fact I'm gonna have to step outside when I decide that I want to do a set with this. So it says that the kit contains acrylic nail powder, acrylic nail liquid, and acrylic nail accessories. And it also says keep away from children. I agree with that. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Skin test before applying. Stop using if allergy occurs. And store in a cool and dry place and avoid direct sunlight. So let's get into opening. Wow, y'all, this monomer ain't no joke. I promise you it's not. Gotta. Okay, so for some reason this kit comes with like nail forms that come in the polygel kits, and I still have yet to try to use dual forms, but this is what these dual forms look like, and it's gonna be a no for me on the dual forms front. I'm not gonna be doing that. And then of course, you know, you get your instructions. All Shine on Me acrylic nail kit, and it gives you some nice, you know, instructions on how to do your acrylic nails. And I love the fact that when it comes with the instructions, I love the illustrations to go along with the instructions. I don't know, maybe that's just me being childish, but I like when kits include illustrations that go with the instructions. Okay, and let me see, turn it this way. So you get a pack of acrylic brushes, and I'll open this up at, okay, so I just broke that, y'all, but it's okay, it's okay. So you get a pack of acrylic brushes, and it doesn't say what number each of these acrylic brushes are, but these are the acrylic brush packs that you get. And from me watching Long Hair Pretty Nails channel a lot, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all these are not Kolinsky at all. I could tell that just from the price of this acrylic kit, you should know that it's not Kolinsky, but I'm gonna just go ahead and say it's not Kolinsky, and I could tell that already. This nail file is like one of those emery boards. It is like, can y'all see how thin that is? It is so thin. Like, it is so thin, you guys. So that's the nail kit that comes, the nail file that comes with it, the acrylic brushes, and you get 5 of them. This is the culprit, y'all. This is the acrylic liquid this monomer, and you get 2.1 fluid ounces, y'all. This stuff stinks. It stinks so bad. And it has like a little dropper application. I'm happy that it has a dropper application, but it stinks so bad. Like, I smelt it through the box. It stinks so bad. And get a little dampen dish. And then you get the acrylic powders. And the acrylic powders that you get are pink, clear, and no, this is the clear, and this is the white. So it's kind of like the standard colors that you normally would get in an acrylic set. And these are 1 fluid ounces of powder, and that's just how that pink looks. This is how the white looks, and this is how that clear looks. So the reason, oh, and this kit does come with some, look y'all, I ain't even see it. It comes with some nail forms, so you can do nail forms with this. And y'all, I have a lot of nail forms, like from the polygel kits that I have purchased already. I have a lot of nail forms from those kits that I want to also learn how to do a little razz of the days with. But the reason why I got this, you guys, is because, like I said, I want to get more into doing other types of nails other than just polygel, because y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you, I love my polygel nail. When I say I love doing polygel, I love polygel. There is no odor with the polygels, and you're using alcohol as lip solution, and I love that. So you really get no smell. But I am going to give this kit a try. This is just the unboxing today, you guys. I will be coming back to do a full review as well as a product, like, you know, little tutorial with these, just to try it out. Again, I am still a beginner when it comes to doing nails. I just do my own nails. I don't do nobody else's nails. I will not do anybody else's nails but my own, just because I'm still learning, and I have a passion to do my own nails, not anybody else's nails. But I do want to thank you all for coming through and spending time with me. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this tribe. All right, you guys. Peace.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me? I can stroke it.